So Forest River FR3. This is a 2021. I tried to change the oil, motor oil. Um, it was quite easy to get the oil out down beneath the car in a pan, and it was really easy to change the oil filter also, which is really accessible. Is the shiny one in there is the one I fitted after I removed the old one, and then I tried to find the place that's supposed to use to fill the oil in the engine. I found it. It's in the driver's side, on the driver's side, and it's here. It's this guy here up. I don't know how exactly am I supposed to do that, but using a pump, using an oil pump, electrical or manual one, should be possible. Instead of that, I just remove the lid, the motor cover inside the coach, as this one here. Okay, the cover is removed. It's only three bolts, one here, and another one there. They are easy to remove, and then I will try to remove this hose, and then to put the oil directly. This is the hose that goes to the front of the car, where's the place we are supposed to normally change the oil. So I just remove this clamp. I just put it away from the neck of the pipe, where the actual intake oil is, and then yeah, the hose is there, and then I can use this funnel to put some oil in the engine. So it was 1 gallon, 1 quart, another one, and the last one is coming, and that should be enough with oil filter change. Okay, 1 gallon and 3 quarts. Okay. And now it's really simple. Put the hose back and hopefully use my pliers to put the clamp back on place. It's not exactly the right tool, but it will do the trick. Yes, yes, almost there, almost there. Yeah, okay, everything is on place. Okay, it's time to start the engine. Okay, what I'm looking for is the oil lamp. I see that already went off. It went off even before I start the engine. I don't know why. It still stay oil change required, but not for long. Let it idle a little bit and it's gonna be okay. Already changed the sound. Okay. Okay. That is perfect. That is really perfect. And I think it's a lot easier to do it this way, especially if you don't have the right tools. If you have a pump, oil pump, electrical or manual, you should probably choose the front fill up with oil, the one supposed to use, but I don't have that tool. I don't have the pump, so I did it anyway. I did it my way, and it works. Next, I will check the oil. Stop the engine, and I will check the oil level, and hopefully it will be between the 2 marks, minimum and the maximum. So now is the time to check the oil level. This one is for the transmission, and this is for the motor, for the engine. I'll do it this way, so it's easier to see it. First I'm gonna clean it, and then I stick it back. Like that. So the moment of truth, it's at the maximum. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here at the maximum. That is good. Not this line, but the maximum line. That is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I don't know how much it's an oil change at the mechanic, but I'm pretty sure I did it cheaper. And it took me like half an hour, all in all, with everything, so proud of it.